Ever wondered why understanding the lift-drag ratio is essential in aerodynamics? Well, to measure the performance and efficiency of any aerodynamic profile, two key factors must be considered: lift and drag. Lift is the force that opposes gravity and enables an aircraft to rise into the air. Drag, on the other hand, resists its forward motion. The relationship between these two forces, known as the lift-drag ratio, is vital. Consider the lift curve, which shows a steady increase in the lift coefficient as the angle of attack rises, up to a critical angle. Beyond that, lift declines. Now look at the drag curve. Drag steadily increases, with changes in the angle of attack being the smallest at slightly positive angles and escalating each time the angle of attack rises or falls. So, the relationship between lift and drag, or the lift-drag ratio, plays a crucial role in aerodynamics. Now let's delve into the concepts of lift and drag. These two forces are fundamental in understanding how things fly. Lift is the force that opposes the weight of an aircraft and holds it in the air. It is created by the difference in air pressure above and below the wings. Drag, on the other hand, is the resistance an aircraft experiences as it moves through the air. It's like when you try to walk in a pool, the water pushes against you, slowing you down. That's drag. Now let's talk about the lift curve. Picture a graph. As the angle of attack increases, the lift coefficient, a measure of lift produced, also increases. It's a steady climb up until we reach what's known as the critical angle. Beyond this point, the lift coefficient decreases. Why does this happen? Well, beyond the critical angle, the air can no longer flow smoothly over the wing, leading to a loss of lift, a phenomenon known as a stall. Next, we have the drag curve. Here, drag steadily increases with a change in the angle of attack. It's smallest at small positive angles of attack, and rises each time the angle increases or decreases. As we approach the critical angle, the rate of increase in drag is higher. At the stall speed, the breaking of laminar flow and formation of turbulence, or vortices, cause a significant increase in drag. Now here's where it gets interesting. The lift-to-drag ratio, or LD ratio, changes with the angle of attack. It's like a scale, with lift on one side and drag on the other. For any given lift, you want the least amount of drag, giving you the best LD ratio. Unfortunately, neither high nor low angles of attack are truly satisfying, as the lift-to-drag ratio at these extreme angles is low. What is needed is the greatest lift capacity compared to the drag at the same angle of attack, which for a wing with normal curvature occurs at about 4 degrees angle of attack. Understanding these concepts allows us to grasp the importance of the lift and drag ratio in aerodynamics. Let's briefly recap what we've learned about the lift/drag ratio. This ratio is a key factor in understanding the efficiency of an aerodynamic profile. The lift, which increases as the angle of attack rises, represents the benefit we derive from a profile. On the other hand, the drag is the price we pay for this, escalating with a change in the angle of attack. The lift/drag ratio, in essence, shows us the balance between the lift and drag. It's like a trade-off. We want the maximum lift with the least drag. An aerodynamic profile has the highest lift capacity right before the critical angle of attack, but unfortunately near this angle, it generates a lot of induced drag. So remember, understanding the lift-to-drag ratio can significantly enhance our understanding of aerodynamics, leading to more effective and efficient designs.